Connecting with your passion to make a difference. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Amrinder Kaur. I'm a consultant, researcher, academician and co-founder with Pinkova Consulting. I also like to congratulate Ms. Deepika Bhatia for her insightful and such a thoughtful work through Ask It Prayas. Today we will talk about, through this conversation, on how and why passion is important and how it can make a difference. So what is passion? Passion is a strong feeling for something. It could be a person, it could be a work or something. But it is important because passion will help you to connect with yourself. Passion, when you are passionate for something, you will just grab opportunities, you will be wanting to overcome your challenges. This passion is evident in small kids. आपने देखा होगा छोटे बच्चे जब खेलते हैं, they are so joyful, इतने खुश रहते हैं because they are very connected with each themselves. पर जैसे हम बड़े होने लगते हैं, we get very busy, then life is definitely tough for everyone. We every day have so many things to learn, we have so many challenges to grab, and maybe somewhere we lose connection with ourselves. Maybe we lose our happiness also in the process. Passion is something which will help us to connect with ourselves, find our ikigai, which will help us to connect with ourselves in a better manner, and find that something which will help us to rise above our limitations and grab all the joys which are in our path. Passion, if you go into the history, आपको बहुत ऐसे examples मिलेंगे which inspires us कि how much far we can go with our passions. Say for example Mahatma Gandhi, he was too passionate for non-violence and actually it led to such a massive movement. We are standing here because of him. You go with and see a lot of entrepreneurs. You see Shehnaz Hussain, you see Sanjeev Kapoor. They were all passionate for their skill or their experience or something. Shehnaz Hussain was passionate for beauty. Sanjeev Kapoor was passionate for food, and they created enterprises which is not only making a difference to their lives but to millions others. They are people who have been very educated and they felt a need and desire to help others through maybe education. For example, Nobel laureate Kailash Satyarthi. He has been helping the children get education, children empowerment. He is working on that. Passion alone will not be able to work and create a lot of difference. It always has to be combined with a purpose. You have a passion in your life, and when it is combined with a purpose, it will lead to those series of actions which will only make a difference not only to your life but to others as well. But how do you identify what is your passion? How will you actually work on enhancing those passions which you have? There's a simple two-step process I would suggest. First is definitely get a paper and a pen. Just sit in a quiet space and try to recollect that when you were young, what was something which actually made you tremendously happy. When you were doing that, you just forgot yourselves. It could be right now also. It's not just it happened in your childhood. Might be right now when you write something, maybe when you create some content, or maybe you're working in some engineering stuff. It just makes you forget life suddenly. When you are just doing that, you are completely into it. Write those 3 important activities, skills or things which makes you forget yourself. Once you write those 3 things, then try to identify, can you connect a certain purpose with all these 3 things? Can you do that? If you can do that, then create a vision statement for yourself. In management education, we say a vision statement is something which helps you get inspired, and definitely you can do a certain set of actions based on your vision statement. Consider creating a vision statement for yourself. Now this vision statement does not need to be a very lofty statement which needs to be seen by others. It is for you, for yourself. Create a vision statement. Like for example, I might be good in baking. I want to create cakes which helps kids or somebody relish it. That's a vision statement. So my all set of actions are going to get tuned to this. Passion is a powerful energy when it is combined with a purpose. As such, if we see in this life, we all have certain set of talents. We all have certain skills which are inherent to us. Everybody has that. But it is our work. If we see as a human being also, it is our purpose to actually be able to identify those skills and contribute to the larger good. It will not only help us to get out of our own challenges and create the larger good, but it also will lead to what you call as ikigai, a sense of joy from the stuff which you are doing. So your life will be more meaningful. Consider that a vision statement which you have considered for yourself. You see it every day. Can you make a little change in it? Can you make little addition in it so that you can improve on it every day? A passion itself combined with purpose will not lead to any change. But every day we have to work on it. Every day, if you can define in some incremental improvements in your skills and in your passions, you will be able to rise above your own limitations. Please consider identifying what makes you happy, what makes you forget everything. It will help you, it will support you to connect to yourself better. When you are connected to yourself better, you will be able to rise above our own limitations, above our own challenges, and will be able to support not only ourselves but others through our unique talents. Large organizations, lot of philanthropic work which is being done because people are passionate for a cause they believe in, for a skill they believe in. Please connect with yourself, connect with your passion, and it will not only lead to a difference to your life but to everybody around. So thank you.